fellow students. We're going to have ourselves a fire time here. Low key. Hashtag. You like that? Just hashtag? All right. So, let's do this. All right. So, like we did on 8.4 notes, you should be able to. Oh, wait, back up. Grades are due Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow all your grades are due. If you're not passing right now, you should be doing a lot of stuff today and tomorrow to get passing. Yes? Okay. I already did y'all a few favors with your grades, so like your grade is what it really is, so you have till tomorrow to really get it up to whatever grade you're shooting for, right? Now, yesterday, 8.4, I want you to make sure you can hear me. Nope. Excuse me. I want you to be able to hear me. I want you to be able to hear me and see me as we're re-explaining this, okay? If yesterday was kind of like, dang, I don't get it. Here's a reminder on how to do this. So please look up here and follow along, right? So, to do an equation like this, we need all of the denominators to match. Hey, look over here. Put it away. Thank you. So all these denominators need to match. They don't match, right? The bottom. So here's the question. What is the least common multiple of the denominators, also known as the LCD, least common denominator? So what does 6, 6x, and x all go into? Okay. What do y'all think? Does this go into 6x? It does. Does 6x go into itself? Does x go into 6x? It does. So if you see something like this where there's like stuff in common, the one that has both of them is the least common denominator. Right. So real quick, let's write down our LCD is 6x. Now, you can see right here that this is a subtraction problem. We've learned when you see the minus sign, you can turn it into a plus sign, and you're going to move the minus over to the right. So that 2 becomes a negative 2. Now, what we need to do is figure out how to get the same 6x on the bottom. So the first fraction does not have 6x. What do I need to multiply this bottom to get 6x? I see the 6, so I need the what? X. Is everyone over here looking? Okay, so I need to multiply this first one by x, so it'll look like 6x, yes? And then the middle one is already 6x, so what about the right side? What is this missing? Does everyone see that this is not 6x? I will need a 6 in front of that x. So you're going to multiply it by 6. That looks horrible. Let's try that. Multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. All right. Now, when I do all this multiplying, is the bottom 6x on every one of these fractions now? I heard myself. It's because you're playing me on your phone. Okay, almost done. When 6x is on the bottom all the way across, you can scratch them out, right? Remember that from yesterday? If the bottoms are all the same, remove them. Bring everything else down. 5x, 5 times x is 5x. The minus 2 comes down, equals, and then 6 times 3. Okay. Now from here, can you solve a 2-step equation? If you're solving for x, what do I get rid of first? The minus 2. You said 5 first. So how do I get rid of a minus 2? Plus 2, plus 2, both sides. What's 18 plus 2? Yes. And then to get rid of the 5 in front of x, how do I get rid of the 5 in front of x? Divide by 5 and we get, yes, yes, x equals 4. Do you see how we had to get the same denominator, eliminate the bottom, and then you still need to solve it, okay? So, you can get, it's on Google Classroom. Check it out. Yes, every day I post. You should. Well, you get it, okay? Remember, I always post my videos. No, they're literally, like right now, what I'm literally saying, recorded every day. Okay. Having to correct all the craziness you say every day, recorded for the entire internet to hear. All right, so what we're going to do is finish 8.4 and 8.3. Does everyone see right here? It says that 8.3 and 8.4 are going to roll into the fourth 9 weeks, right? So everything up to 8.2 is on your little grade sheet in Skyward, and you need to work on that stuff. Today I'm going to I want you to finish 8.4 and 8.3, unless you're failing the third 9 weeks. You need to work on that stuff. You need to get caught up. You only have today and tomorrow. It's the last couple days. Let's get going. Let's get some of this work done, please. Here we go.